How to get out of outline mode in Adobe Illustrator. Now let's say you've typed in some key combination by accident and now everything looks like this. You see no fill colors, no strokes, just these lines on a white background, and you don't know how to get out of it. Well, it turns out you've just discovered outline mode, but this is easily fixable. You just go up here to where it says view, and you want to press on GPU preview like this, and that should bring you back to your regular view. Now you can also press Ctrl and Y on your keyboard like that to toggle between the two modes. Now this mode can be very useful in certain situations. For example, when I'm editing something in this vector and I don't want to ungroup everything, I just press Ctrl Y, and now I can just press on my vector lines here and I can just drag them around and do some adjustments, and I can just press Ctrl Y again when I'm done, and I'll be back in my regular view. And that's how you get out of outline mode in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.